Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Tom.
And I'm Lucy. Tom, can I ask everyone a question?
Of course.
Everyone listening, do you ever say, I'll do it tomorrow?
I'll study English tomorrow.
I'll start exercising tomorrow.
I'll clean my room tomorrow.
But tomorrow never comes.
This is called procrastination,
Procrastination, a difficult word.
but a very common behavior.
Today we're explaining why your brain loves procrastination.
And how to stop it.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, what exactly is procrastination?
Let me explain this word clearly.
It's a big word.
Procrastination. Let's say it slowly.
Procrastination.
Good. Now, what does it mean?
Tell us.
It means delaying tasks you should do now.
Putting things off until later.
Exactly. You know you should do something, but you don't do it.
You delay it?
Yes, you choose to do easy or fun things instead.
Let me give examples.
Please.
I should study English, but I'll watch TV first.
I need to write this email, but I'll do it tomorrow.
I should exercise, but I'm too tired today.
I need to clean my room, but I'll do it later.
I should practice speaking English, but maybe tomorrow.
Everyone does this.
Everyone,
Yes, everyone procrastinates sometimes.
even successful people.
Even successful people.
So it's normal.
It's very normal, but it can be a problem.
Why do we do this?
That's the important question.
Why does my brain love procrastination?
Let me explain how your brain works.
I'm listening.
Your brain loves comfort.
Comfort.
Yes, your brain always seeks comfort and avoids discomfort.
Makes sense.
Hard tasks feel uncomfortable.
Like studying or exercising.
Exactly. Watching TV feels comfortable.
Studying feels uncomfortable.
So your brain chooses TV.
Every time.
There's another reason.
What's that?
Present you versus future you.
What does that mean?
Present you is who you are right now.
Right now.
Present you wants to feel good now.
Okay.
Future you is who you'll be tomorrow, next week, next month.
Future me.
Future you wants the benefits of hard work.
But present me wants to relax.
And present you always wins.
Why?
Because present you is the one making decisions right now.
Oh, that's clever.
Your brain also prefers immediate rewards over future rewards.
What does that mean?
Watching TV gives you fun immediately.
Right now.
Studying English gives you benefits in the future.
Maybe in months or years.
Your brain says, I want fun now, not benefits later.
So my brain chooses TV.
Exactly.
One more reason.
What?
Big tasks feel scary.
Yes, this is important.
Write a 10-page report feels overwhelming.
Learn all English grammar feels impossible.
Your brain sees these as threats.
Threats.
Yes, Your brain says, this is too big. Let's avoid it.
So you procrastinate.
I have a student named Yuki.
Tell us about Yuki.
Yuki always delayed studying English.
What happened?
Every night she said, tomorrow I'll practice speaking.
But tomorrow never came.
Never. She felt bad about this.
She thought she was lazy.
Yes. But when I explained your present self wants to relax, your future self wants to speak English.
She understood.
Yes, she wasn't lazy.
Her brain was just choosing immediate comfort.
Understanding this was the first step.
Now she knew why.
Now, how does procrastination hurt us?
Let me explain the problems.
Please.
Tasks pile up and become bigger.
More and more work.
Stress increases as the deadline approaches.
You feel more pressure.
You feel guilty about not doing it.
Guilt is terrible.
And the quality suffers because you rush at the end.
Everything is worse.
Plus, time wasted feeling guilty instead of doing.
So much wasted time.
And it prevents progress toward your goals.
You don't improve.
It affects confidence and self-esteem.
You feel bad about yourself.
So how do we stop this?
I have the most powerful strategy.
Tell us.
The 2-minute rule.
2-minute rule.
Yes. Tell yourself, I'll just work for 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes, then you can stop.
That's all.
That's all. Set a timer if you want.
And what happens?
Usually, once you start, you continue.
Really?
Yes, starting is the hardest part.
Give me examples.
I'll study English for just 2 minutes.
I'll write just one sentence of this email.
I'll clean just one corner of the room.
I'll do just 2 minutes of exercise.
2 minutes feels easy.
Not scary.
Your brain says, okay, just 2 minutes. I can do that.
And then what?
You start, and starting creates momentum.
Momentum?
Yes, once you start, continuing is easier. Often you work much longer than 2 minutes.
And if you stop at 2 minutes?
That's still progress.
This is brilliant.
It works for any task.
Now, I have another powerful strategy.
What is it?
Break big tasks into tiny steps.
Tiny steps?
Yes, big tasks feel overwhelming,
They trigger procrastination.
but tiny steps feel manageable.
Give me an example.
Let's say your goal is improve my English.
That's too big.
Exactly, too big. Learn English. That's overwhelming.
Still big. Study English today. Still scary.
Better. Study English for 10 minutes. More manageable.
Best, open my English textbook. Very easy.
Even better, put my textbook on my desk. Impossible to resist.
I love this.
Another example, write a report.
Okay.
Too big. Write 10-page report. Scary.
Better. Write first paragraph. Manageable.
Best. Write first sentence. Easy.
Even better. Open the document. Can't say no.
Make the first step so easy you can't refuse.
I have a student named Carlos.
What happened with Carlos?
Carlos needed to prepare an English presentation.
For school?
For work. For 2 weeks he procrastinated.
Why?
The task felt too big.
What did you teach him?
I taught him to break it into tiny steps.
What were the steps?
Step 1. Open PowerPoint. Step 2. Write the title. Step 3. Add one slide.
And what happened?
Carlos did step 1.
Just opened PowerPoint.
Yes. Then he did step 2. Then step 3.
And then?
He kept going. In one evening, he finished the whole presentation.
Amazing.
Breaking it down removed the fear.
Now let me share 3 more quick strategies.
Yes, please.
Strategy 3. Remove distractions first.
Like what?
Turn off your phone.
Close social media.
Clear your desk.
Remove temptation.
Strategy 4. Make starting easy.
How?
Prepare everything the night before.
Put materials where you'll see them.
Reduce the steps to start.
Example. Put workout clothes by your bed.
Then in the morning, they're right there.
Strategy 5. Reward yourself after.
After completing the task, give yourself a small reward.
After 30 minutes of study, I'll have coffee.
After finishing this email, I'll check social media.
Give your brain something to look forward to.
Exactly.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
Procrastination means delaying tasks you should do.
It's not laziness.
Your brain prefers comfort and immediate rewards.
Present you versus future you.
This is normal human behavior.
Strategy 1. The 2-minute rule.
Just start for 2 minutes.
Starting creates momentum.
Strategy 2. Break tasks into tiny steps.
Make the first step ridiculously easy.
Strategy 3. Remove distractions.
Turn off phone, close social media.
Strategy 4. Make starting easy.
Prepare things the night before.
Strategy 5. Reward yourself after.
Give your brain a treat.
Remember, starting is the hardest part.
Once you start, it gets easier.
You can train your brain differently.
Now, we have a challenge for you.
A challenge.
Yes, use the 2-minute rule today.
Right now.
Think of one task you've been delaying.
Maybe studying English, cleaning, or exercising.
Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 2 minutes.
Set a timer.
Start!
Notice how starting changes everything.
You'll probably continue beyond 2 minutes.
And if you stop at 2 minutes, that's progress.
Be patient with yourself.
Changing habits takes time.
But these strategies really work.
We believe in you.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned about procrastination and how to stop it.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go use the 2-minute rule.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.